everyone, welcome back on my channel. Thanks for coming back. I hope you all are doing really well. So for today's video I will be doing a niqab tutorial, but before I get started I would like to dedicate this video to a very dear friend of mine, Christine. If you're watching this is for you. So let's get started. For today's video I will be using this rectangular scarf, and basically first I'm going to take one edge of the scarf and fold it just a little bit. Then I am going to place it on my nose and bring it back, and also pin it down. After that, I'm going to take this part of the scarf right here, and basically I am going to place it on top of my head and pin it right here. Then I'm going to take this part of the scarf and basically bring it around my head. Also make sure to fold it a little bit. And I'm going to place it like this. I am going to place a pin right here. And also one on this side. Like so. Then I'm going to take this part of the scarf and then I am going to create this fold right here and place a pin here. Like so. Then I'm going to twist this part and you can either bring it here like so, or you can pin it down, but you can even tuck it under your shirt if you don't like that. But personally I think I like it better right here. Then fix everything so it looks better. Thanks for watching everyone. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel because it will mean a lot to me. I'll see you guys in my next video, and don't forget, be nice to people. Bye!